lots of cleanup going on today still after yesterday's kind of
chainsaws everywhere.
Yeah.
It was, yeah. We kind of how these storms take place is, again, you get waves coming in from the northwest and you get some dry air aloft. And there was some instability yesterday, not a ton, but enough. And the dry air and the cold air that kind of comes with the rain helps to kind of drive those really strong winds down. So that's why, again, a number of areas looking at damage, straight line winds and that outflow. I wouldn't be surprised some of those winds at my house, I think, were over 60. Again, a number of locations where the trees were down, maybe even.
I was worried about my flag. I have a flag attached to my house, and I could just see the siding getting ripped right off of there. But he made it. Old Glory stood proud.
Good, good. Yeah. So the next couple of days will be cooler and then much warmer. If you want some summer-like heat, you just have to wait a couple more days. Before that, though, we had this upper-level disturbance. We call these upper-level troughs that just will not budge. And it keeps bringing wave after wave of showers and thunderstorms. Not quite as organized as yesterday, but still mainly south of Highway 29. We're still looking at those spotty chances of showers and storms, which will wind down as the sun sets later on this evening. But here's a closer look at our satellite radar composite. Again, we're catching breaks even in the clouds, so you might see a stray shower storm. Wait 10 minutes, let it move out, and then the sun's back in. So again, all this is kind of shifting down from the northwest to the southeast and will all taper off later on tonight. Clouds, yes, mixed in with some sun from our Anago sky cam, but look at those winds. They are cranking up, and they are now out of the northwest, picking up 18 miles an hour in Anago, 24 for Marshfield. So a couple of things those winds are doing, drying things out. The dew point's now back in the 40s and 50s, and it's going to usher in some cooler temperatures. Right now at this hour, we're back down in the upper 50s for Rhineland and Anago. Also Stevens Point. Actually 70 degrees right now in Wisconsin Rapids, in the lower 60s for Wausau and for Marshfield. We hit 72 for the high temperature, so cooler than yesterday, and the numbers continue to go down with that northwest flow. Highs will probably be stuck in the 60s tomorrow and possibly only in the 60s for Wednesday before that warm-up begins. This is what your evening looks like. Again, scattered showers and some thunderstorms. Temperatures will hang out in the 60s, maybe still by 7 o'clock. And then mid-50s by the time we get to 9 o'clock again, and we're looking at some breezy conditions. Here's a look at the hour-by-hour forecast. 7 o'clock tonight till midnight. That'll be our best window of opportunity for that convection. But again, all that's gone. Tomorrow and into Wednesday, we're looking at decreasing clouds, drier conditions as a surface high pressure, again, rolls in from the northwest, and that will kick out the moisture and the clouds. So by, again, Tuesday afternoon, turning a little bit more partly sunny, and then mostly sunny for Wednesday. Then we get that return flow building in, and that's going to give us the southerly wind and bring us another warm front. And there goes some more showers and thunderstorms that'll glide right off that warm front Wednesday night into Thursday. And then that warm front will help us out in a big way. Here's why. That upper level ridge that has been driving those temperatures up in the 100s in the southwest, all that heat's going to build in the central plains. We'll pick up that southwest wind. The heat shifts our way, so we're talking about 80s and potentially 90s, possibly hitting 90 for the weekend. So again, we'll go from the 60s to possibly to the upper 80s and lower 90s for the end of the week. Tonight, 40s, and tomorrow night could be even colder. We're talking about overnight lows that might be flirty with the mid to upper 30s. That's the kind of cool air mass that'll be settling in for the next 48 hours. Again, showers and some storms ending, I would think, by 10, 11 o'clock, and then quiet for Tuesday, Wednesday. 74 for Thursday. Again, showers and storms along that warm front, but those temperatures back to near 90 on Saturday. Sunday, depending on when those showers and storms roll in, we could be looking at, again, maybe another warm and muggy day, and then behind that front, 78 by Monday. For the latest weather, get to our website, WSAW.com.
What a crazy range. 40s to almost 90s?
30s possibly tomorrow
my.
night in the Northwoods. No I'm not talking about frost or freezing quite, but again, mid to upper 30s, possibly not out of the norm for tomorrow night.
A weather buffet.
Good sleeping weather.
I think so.
All right. Thank you, Chris.